Cherokee 43434, signature west with Charlie, VFR to Concord, negative flight following.
Cherokee 43434, ground runway 28 right, taxi via Charlie.
2 right via Charlie, 434.
Cherokee 434, squawk 5371, maintain VFR at below 2,500.
Squawk 5371, out of below 2,500, 434. Oakland Tower, Cherokee 43434, holding short 28 right for departure.
Cherokee 43434, Oakland Tower, runway 28 right, line up and wait.
28 right, line up and wait, 434.
434, runway 28 right, cleared for takeoff, turn right, on course.
28 right, clear for takeoff, turn right on course, 434.
Falcon 1.
Okay, lights, landing light off, out, mixer for ridge, car beat is off, fuel pump is on, let's do this. Okay, engine gauges in the green. Airspeed's alive, 60.
Contact altitude.
600, 434. Concord Tower, Cherokee 43434, Walnut Creek 2500, inbound with Echo for pattern work.
Cherokee 43434, Concord Tower, traffic ahead and to your left is the Diamond Star that departed southbound. Altitude indicates 1,700. Make left traffic, runway 19er left. Report midfield, left downwind.
We'll be looking for the traffic. Enter left traffic, 19er live and left. Report midfield, Cherokee 434.
Good job.
Cherokee 434, information echoes now. Current wind variable at 3, altimeter 3028.
3028, 434. Negative traffic, 434.
Cherokee 434, previous dimension traffic, now no factor.
Okay, 434.
There you go. So no factor, she says. Yep.
Okay, so I'm gonna start descending to pattern altitude.
Yeah. And it's never too early in the morning for an engine failure.
Okay.
What speed are we going to?
85.
Alright, get it trimmed for 85 and make your runway. Turn. Straight to the runway. Get that trim all the way back.
Delta Delta traffic off your right, Cherokee on
Keep
the
turning.
left base, runway 19.
Just go straight to the runway number.
Delta 500 Delta base, turn your discretion. Number 2, follow the Cherokee, runway 19er right, clear for the option.
19er right, clear for the option, 59 Delta. Oh
Okay,
yeah.
I'm high, so one notch. Go high, I'm gonna more flaps. Get down. I made the runway. Full flaps. Go straight.
Oh, there you go.
Right close traffic, 60, rotate.
Hit that right rudder in there, nice and straight. Boom. Now we're climbing.
Okay,
Cherokee 434, runway 19er right, clear for the option.
19er right, clear for the option, 434. It sense a slight crosswind.
I would agree.
So this is what I want to do, right? Okay, moving that way.
Whatever you need to do.
Cessna 500 Delta, runway 19 right, cleared for the option 1 departure priority or arrival Pilatus.
Alright, clear for the option 59 Delta. Tower, stationary 206 off of Mike, Coney Short at 19 right. We'd like to ride down with departure.
Mike Concord Tower, hold short of runway 19 right, landing traffic.
Coney Short at 19 right, 6 off Mike.
Cessna 500 Delta, runway 19 right, cleared for the option 1 departure priority or arrival stationer.
19 right, clear for the option 59 Delta.
Fuel tank still good. Anchor, it's mixer for ridge, fuel pump on, line guide is on, carabine is off.
Turkey 434, runway 19 right, cleared for the option.
19 right, clear for the option, 434.
There you go, just a little bit of twist, just like that. That's all you need. You don't need too much. It's not very strong.
Got it. And my nose is straight
Looking
there?
good, yep. Yeah, we're going that way. Bring that nose straight and a little left.
Now level.
Cessna 59 Delta, runway 19 right, cleared for the option.
19 right, clear for the option 59 Delta.
Now it's still being pushed over.
Yep, you just need a little more aileron. Alright, let's try no flap landing.
Okay.
Your flaps are broken. I hope my thing's recording.
Turkey 434, runway 19 right, cleared for the option.
19 right, clear for the option, 434. And I shouldn't have started slowing down, I guess, until I got... okay, so, but I'm gonna want to be a little bit faster. I'm gonna maintain like 90 and 85, and they're trying to be below.
Just do the same speeds.
Okay. Close to the runway. I have no idea what to expect. I've played on this. So let me know if I'm doing anything wrong.
Oh, you'll hear it. Just try to keep the same speeds while still looking outside for your altitude. And 65 Sierra's on about a 4 mile right, please.
Bonanza 65 Sierra, number 2, followed
Oh,
Cherokee
God.
on
Yeah,
their
that's-
close and base the final turn, runway 19 right, clear to land number 2.
On the right, clear land number 2 for 65 Sierra.
Bonanza 65 Sierra, safe parking?
Going over to Sterling.
Yeah, that's... And I need less power too. Or like, close to no power.
Cessna 500 Delta, your traffic defiles on about a 2.5 to 3 mile right base. Altitude indicates 1,400 Bonanza.
Traffic inside 59 Delta.
500 Delta, they're just ahead and to your left.
Yeah, we have a traffic to follow inside.
No cleanup.
There's a 500 Delta, number 2 follow the Bonanza, runway 19 right, clear for the option.
Number 2, runway 19 right, clear for the option, 590. Nicely done.
Okay, that was interesting. Yeah.
Don't full right rudder.
9er left, 2 mile final, over 45.
Now try to keep the center line and push down for 80.
Reach Met 3 is entering the Delta. We've got the traffic turning crosswind.
There you go.
Met 3, are you able to fall in behind that traffic? Or are you going to be
Get on the runway there.
Looks like either one works. I'll fall in behind.
You
Get on the runway.
Roger. Pass line, assess the landing at the retrans pilot's own risk, wind calm.
There you go.
Can you tell me when to stop? I guess they can stop now.
Keep going. And now stop. There you go. Oh yeah, that's way better.
Awesome.
Clear it up, let's go. On the go.
60 Papa, turn left at Lima and contact ground.
Check 434 will be a southbound departure.
Check 434, right southbound is approved, no traffic for you at this time.
Southbound 434.
Okay, so I'm going to stay upwind for a bit. Get to
climb.
altitude. Oakland Tower, Cherokee 43434, 2,500, 1 mile north of St. Mary's, inbound for Pennyworth with Delta.
Warrior 43434, Oakland Tower, continue inbound at squawk 0341.
41 or 21?
0341.
0341, proceed report.
Okay. 434, radar contact, 8 miles north of Oakland. Oakland altimeter is 3030, wind's calm. Say your altitude.
Altimeter 3030, altitude is 2,600, proceed report.
Cherokee 434, in a right base, runway 28 right, cleared for the option, then make right, close traffic.
Right base to a right, clear for the option, right close traffic, proceed report. I'm just...
Oh no. Simulated engine failure.
Okay.
Here's your test to see how far she'll glide.
Okay.
So make sure you hold 85, get her trimmed for 85. And now take me through what you're going to troubleshoot. We got the A, we got the B.
So we'll turn on the carb heat. I'm not going to do it.
Yeah, just talk me through it.
Turn on the carb heat, see if it goes back, make sure it's full ridge, the primaries locked, the magnetors of both. Fuel pump is on, I would turn it on, and that's about it. If I don't make it, I will be looking for alternatives.
No, we're trying to restart right now. We're trying to go, we already got our field, right?
Okay.
So we forgot one thing. We want carb heat, fuel pump, switch tanks.
Oh,
and then work left to right.
Yes.
So both, we'll try either one, make sure this is locked, throttle, mixture up. Okay, let's try to restart. Crank. Okay. Alright, crank, not working. Okay, let's shut it down. So off. Fuel tanks off.
Right. Fuel
Declare the emergency, right, blah, and then exit. Get the door open.
Perfect. I'm not going to have any flaps yet.
I'd make sure you can make the runway, so go straight to it.
Yeah.
85.
Sorry, uniform Sierra, radio service is terminated, squawk 1200, frequency change approved, stay clear Bravo.
Throttle in case I need to go around.
Stay clear Bravo, uniform Sierra, thank you.
For the simulated landing.
Let me just make sure she's still working. Yep, okay.
Oakland Tower, says 1408,
I'm going to make it. Start slowing down.
14008, Oakland Tower, transition approved, follow the 880 freeway northwestbound, BFR at or below 2000, Oakland altimeter is 3030, ident.
3030, ident, at or below 2000 aboard the freeway 008, thank you sir.
008, radar contact 2 north of Hayward, say altitude.
1200, 008.
or rather...
Cleaned up, let's go.
Check 434, number 2, follow the Learjet, caution like turbulence, runway 28 right, cleared for the option.
Clear for the option to it right, number 2434.
Where are you going right here?
Delta.
Maybe. Go ahead.
415.
For 118, hold short of runway 28 right, landing traffic.
Tower 434, request short approach.
Take 434, short approach approved.
Short approach 434. Power's out.
I knew you would do that. Okay.
Alright, you got no flaps either. I want you to try to put her down around the 1,000 footers, so you have to time this out, right? We don't have any flaps to help us down. So use everything you have to your advantage here. We want to touch down around the 1,000 footers. So let's flip. Let's go left rudder.
Left rudder.
Full left rudder. There you go. Up. Try to keep the center line. See how we're flying sideways?
Oh god,
So
so hard.
Push down like that. There you go. Come this way. Get back on track here. And now straighten out. We're off the ground. Oh, you touch there. Keep that nose up. Keep that nose up. See how fast we're going?
Yeah.
And the nose is left too. We're going full stop on this one.
I need to practice on that forward slip.
We were just introducing it today. Let's clear the runway, and he said contact ground.